It's on pretty straight. Alright. Alright guys. Now this is my first actual attempt at motovlog. Before I start, I might cough in the fucking microphone because I've got a cold going on and it sucks. But for those of y'all who don't know, I am the Glock 17 shooter, formerly Straight Shooters 1037, formerly Leland 1037, and beforehand my videos were all firearm related. But since I've gotten the bike, my hobbies have changed some, and I'm still real big into firearms, but I'm not just basing my entire channel on that at this point in time. So let's go ahead and start motovlogging. And okay, well, I got some wind coming up in the camera, and that's something I've been trying to fight here for a while now, so if you hear that, then I am sorry, and I will try my damnedest to get it fixed whenever I can, whenever I figure out what's going on, or figure out how to fix it. I already know what's going on. But if you still can hear me, then I got into motorcycles about, I'm going to say about 2 years ago, and I got this bike, this little old Virago 750 in February, and I done the paint on it, which I need to redo. And done a few little other things to it that didn't really affect the performance any, but I'm trying to make this bike mine, and so far it's working pretty good. And there's a Hummer behind us right there. But I got into motovlogging because YouTube has been a real big part of my life for about 4 years now, through all the other channels I've had. And now it's to the point where I'm in college, so I don't have time to make videos and stuff. And as far as firearms go, I've pretty much forgotten half of what I knew about firearms. It's been that bad. But I'm going to get back into it, and whenever I do, I'm going to continue my firearm videos. But for right now, they're kind of falling to the wayside. I am a competition pistol shooter. I do shoot competition on it used to be on a monthly basis, but now with college the way it is, it's about every 4 or 5 months. But whenever I can, I do shoot competition, and sometimes I'm usually about 3rd or 4th place, and sometimes I'll win it. So I still know what I'm doing when it comes to firearms, but I just don't have the time to invest into it at this point in time. But yeah, so getting into motovlogging, a lot of people have helped me out along the way as far as the information I need. Some of those being your main guys like Bilma and Boostosaurus Rex and God, who else, man? So many, there's too numerous to mention, man. I can't even do it. But a lot of the not so well-known guys that I just stumbled across, like Holy Ninja. I asked him about his camera setup one day, and he ended up doing a review on the camera that he used. And that was just fucking awesome, you know. Holy Ninja, if you're watching, I know you subscribe to me, so if you're watching, buddy, thank you, man. I can't say that enough. You know, right now I'm not using the camera you told me about. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S cell phone, and so far it's doing everything I needed to do, and you know, but I just don't. I'm not real big on the actual, you know, having to upload to Wi-Fi and stuff, because sometimes, like most of the time, whenever I'm trying to upload a video to Wi-Fi through the Samsung, it does not work. So I'm gonna have to get another camera. But yeah, man, I don't know whether or not y'all heard any of that. If you didn't, I'm sorry, but if you did, good. And we're coming to a red light, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut this camera off if I have time.